how to cancel Kling AI subscription. Now, in order to cancel Kling AI subscription, you could either use the Kling AI app or you could open up your browser and go to kling.ai. Once you're logged in on your browser as well, from the left hand side you can see your plans option from the bottom left. So when you click on your plans option, you'll be to your plans tab like this, and if you have got a certain within your plans tab, you find the option called manage. So basically you'll find the manage option next to your plan. If you have got a standard plan, let's say for example, you'll find the manage button here instead of subscribe. So when you click on the manage option, on the next page on the top right hand side you'll find the cancel subscription button, and you can follow the prompts over there to cancel your Kling AI subscription. This way you can cancel Kling AI subscription from either the app or the website. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.